Did you know there are over 25,000 ISO standards available across industries? That's 25,000 ways to raise the bar in your internal audit practice. Yet many auditors still aren't using them to their full potential. Let's fix that. Welcome to the GRC Sentinel, where we make your audit work easier and more impactful. In today's episode, we're exploring how to unlock excellence by using ISO standards in your internal audit work. Whether you're auditing cybersecurity, quality, safety, or sustainability, there's an ISO standard that can help. But we're not just talking about ticking boxes. We're talking about enhancing your audit credibility, aligning with global best practices, and delivering recommendations that truly drive results. One of the biggest challenges in internal audit is defining what good looks like. We often rely on internal policies, regulations, or benchmarks which can be inconsistent or unclear. Enter ISO. ISO standards are developed by global experts and used in over 160 countries. That means they're not only reliable, they're respected. However, most internal auditors aren't trained on how to effectively incorporate them. So here's the question: how do we turn this massive library of standards into a powerful audit tool? Here are 4 steps to get started. Step 1. Identify relevant standards. If you're auditing quality, look to ISO 9001 for guidance. For information security, it's ISO 27001. Environmental performance? Try ISO 14001. Search for the ISO that best matches your audit scope. Step 2. Use ISO standards as audit criteria. Instead of vague findings like improvement needed, refer to a specific clause like ISO 9001. 8. 5.2 on corrective actions. This adds authority and clarity to your report. Step 3. Evaluate processes against the standard. Are processes aligned with the standard's expectations? Use ISO's structured framework to uncover gaps that might not be obvious. Step 4. Build recommendations with impact. When you tie your recommendation to a recognized ISO clause, you're not just saying do better. You're showing how to improve based on proven methods. Let's look at a real-world example. A manufacturing company was dealing with inconsistent product quality. The internal audit team used ISO 9001 as their audit lens. They found that the root issue was a lack of documented procedures for process control, exactly what ISO 9001 Clause 8.5 addresses. By aligning recommendations with the standard, the audit team not only helped the company fix the issue, but they also laid the foundation for ISO certification. The result? Improved quality, lower defect rates, and higher customer satisfaction. That's the impact. By tapping into ISO standards, internal auditors can elevate every part of the engagement, from planning to reporting. It makes your recommendations stronger. It builds trust with stakeholders, and it helps drive real sustainable improvement across the organization. You don't have to be an ISO expert to start using ISO effectively. You just need to get started. Have you used ISO standards in your audits? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your experience. Let's keep learning and keep raising the standard.